Today we'll be demonstrating user functionality of the Texecom Premier Elite panel. To set the alarm system using your code, first enter your code, and when prompted, do you want to arm the system? Press yes. The system then begins to arm. You leave via the designated exit route. The tone changes and then goes back to a clear tone. The alarm system is now set. To unset your Texecom Premier panel, you must enter via the designated entry route. And when you hear the tones and you arrive at the keypad, you must put in your 4-digit code. The alarm system is now unset. Okay, to set your alarm system, present your fob at the keypad. You're then prompted to arm the alarm system. You need to press yes. The system will then arm. You exit via the designated exit route. The tones change. Go back to a clear condition. And finally, you'll hear a chime to say that the alarm is set. The alarm system is now set. To unset the Texecom Premier panel using a fob, first enter via the designated entry route. Make your way to the keypad and present your fob and unset the alarm system.